Welcome to ultimate source for authentic and up-to-date automotive information. Today we are exploring the legend, the 1955 Buick Century Hardtop, a roaring symbol of mid-century performance and luxury. The 1955 Buick Century Hardtop stands as an icon of power and elegance. Before unveiling its remarkable legacy, immerse yourself in a community that appreciates timeless automotive masterpieces. Buick's vision for speed and sophistication was realized in this legendary model, blending muscle car performance with a sleek and refined design that left an everlasting mark, emerging in the golden era of American automotive engineering. The 1955 Century Hardtop was crafted to embody both strength and style, with a body inspired by the Roadmaster, but a lightweight frame borrowed from the Special. It became a perfect balance of agility and boldness. Chrome accents gleamed under the sunlight, complementing the signature venti ports on the fenders, while the sweeping lines of its hardtop silhouette gave it an undeniably sporty presence. Performance took center stage with its 322 cubic inch Nailhead V8 engine, producing an impressive 36 horsepower, allowing this beauty to sprint with authority. Paired with a smooth Dynaflow automatic transmission, power delivery was effortless, making highway cruising a thrilling experience. Handling was enhanced with an independent front suspension, providing a ride that was both stable and comfortable. Inside, a cabin of luxury and innovation awaited. Plush bench seats, elegant chrome trim, and a wraparound instrument panel created an atmosphere of sophistication. The Century was ahead of its time, offering power windows, a signal-seeking radio, and a sophisticated heating system. Visibility was improved with Buick's expansive panoramic windshield, giving the driver a commanding view of the road. Through the years, this classic has remained a prized possession among collectors. Restored models in pristine condition can fetch prices ranging from $30,000 to over $80,000, depending on originality and features, a true representation of Buick's performance-driven heritage. The Century Hardtop remains a dream for enthusiasts who seek vintage power and elegance. Join us in celebrating this automotive legend and become part of a passionate community that keeps its legacy alive.